Hi guys, what are we cooking today? We are cooking stew. We want to make another recipe, another stew, delicious stew at that. This one, all our ingredients, everything are ready for the stew. As you can see, for is ready. So let's show you around. You have chicken, you have everything is ready. So I try, then put tomato. I'm not using fresh tomato for this particular stew. It's only thin tomato I'm going to. So this is it. Let's start frying it. Yeah. Yes, you need to fry your tomato very well so that to not rot. So that it will be fried and your stew will get a very good taste. So when you didn't fry it well, my sister will not enjoy your stew. The stew will be very it's not so that is the way for you to dry your tomato very well, fry it very well before you add water so that your tomato and not allow it to burn, not allow it to get strong when you're frying it. Just be careful. Don't leave your tomato to go out there to do something. Just turn it over. Take it out so that you not burn. And also when you cook it, believe me, you will enjoy it. You feel the flavor at this time. The flavor coming out from your taste is something else. So as you can see, I'm adding my spice. Yes, I'm adding my spice. Using kitchen gold for this too. Kitchen gold and spicy seasoning for this particular stew here. You know what comes to right? The next step to have a nice taste. So turn it after you turn it over. Wow, I just turn I keep the aroma that is coming out from this person. It is very is one in a million. Please, if you are not be subscribing to my channel, please do as well to subscribe. Support your person, support your girl. But I'm here to give you any kind of cooking video and you like. Please just support my subscribe and also by liking and commenting on my video so that you will keep watching. You will give us the strength to continue for this channel. Yeah, thank you for watching. Maybe you are watching my friend. I say thank you. Okay, Fugo telling me thank you very much. Please now we add Maggi into the stew. Add it here. Everybody has to join any choice of Maggi. Can use salt, can use milk, can use coffee, and anyone at all that you want to use. You are good to go. So now I'm using some Maggi and creative. That is the normal one me I prefer using. My fresh pepper is also entering inside the pot. This is yellow fresh pepper. That is the fresh pepper I normally like. That's the sense and always give your stew a delicious taste. This is my leftover onions, the remaining onions that I kept. So now I'll pour it inside and turn it as well. This thing works for some reason. Some people may ask, why did you remove the onions and pour? It's good. That fresh one now is to make the stew to give it another taste, not only the fry, and it's when you are eating it, it will make the stew to be hot. There's only the flavor now that the onions will add, the fresh onions will add inside your stew is something else. This one is the leftover meat stock. So you now pour it inside the stew and turn your stew. Wow, turn it wow, so that everything will wine. Yes, turn it well. Turn it well so that nothing, no space. Don't give away any space for the stew to burn. After turning it, you check if the water is enough for you. So if it is not enough, you add another water. Yeah, you can see me. I already add the leftover, the small one that remains left. You add it and you turn. See the vapor coming out from the person. How to see the stew is boiling. Yes, now it's time to add our meat. First of all, add the chicken. This chicken, yes, and add the chicken. Add all the chicken. I'm using small beef, not that much. Small beef. Also, I'll add the beef inside the stew. Sawn it. At this point, the stew, that aroma, everything is giving. Please bring your plate for this stew will soon be ready. Bring your plate. As you know now, before I start my stew, my rice is already at the corner waiting for the stew to be done. So that after the stew, I will start eating it sharp sharp. I don't like wasting time. That's why I normally like to prepare my rice first before I start making my stew. So come, bring your plate. Sorry, if you have not been subscribing, please do ask her to subscribe. Okay, Food Well. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment. Please make us strong to start posting.